OMG, I just came out to fill up the hummingbird feeder, and oh my god, it is freaking pouring. I mean, I had no idea. Let's see. You see the horses over there? Good grief. Can you see the water? Holy crap. Wow. I wish my camera was better so you could really see this. This is unbelievable. Oh boy, this is not good. Not good at all for the pond. Woo. Look down there. Can you see it? Oh yeah, it's coming back on me. Oh no. Remember I said there was 2 1/4 bricks? There's barely 2 now, look. Can you see it? Yeah. It looks like a lot, but it's not even 2 foot. Oh shit. I just came out to fill up the hummingbird water and bam. I had no idea. Wow. Holy shit. Like 6 inches since I last recorded. Look. Oh my god. The dock is completely submerged now. Can you see it? Holy cow. There's nothing out. Oh wow. Oh wow. The sky is just letting loose on us. You see it? Wow. Wow, this is bad. Bad, bad, bad. Bad, bad, bad. Let it stop. Holy shit. Yeah, this camera is not doing any kind of justice for it. The horses have just turned and tucked. I'm trying to hide from it. I mean, look at that. That's just runoff from the roof right there. Wow. Oh boy. No good. Scary. Oh man. Huh. I'll have to rethink things here. Bring the boats up some. Holy crap. Holy crap. Wow. Let's take a quick jog down here. God, I'm gonna get drenched, but I gotta go see this. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh dear. Oh snap. Oh hell. Oh man. Not good. Shit. Uh-oh. Boy. Oh boy. Yeah. Look at that. Alright, well. It is what it is. I just changed my clothes out of the last wet ones. Jeez, wow. 2 bricks, that's all I gotta go. 2 bricks. That's not good. We got an overflow over there. And I don't know. Let's see if I can show you. Nope, the camera's wet again. Right over there where that tree is across the way, there's a dugout of like 30 feet drops down for the overflow, but it's already filled up. The, I mean, God, look at the dock. Goodness. Wow. It's just, wow. Water. Water, water everywhere. Alright, well look. This is all set up on a hill. The whole pond is set up on a hill. And then, that's like 30-foot drop. or more. Whoa, look at that. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Look at the blood. Look at the blood. This is bad. I don't even know where this is coming from. Look at that. I can't do anything on the phone because it's wet. Let's see, how about that? See it now? Look. Look at that. Look at that. The only things out are the ducks. Wow. Wow. Man, I wish I could make it. Wow. I wish I could show you better, but I can't. I can't do anything with the phone. It's drenched. Wow. That's like 6 inches. Steady running right there. I don't think you can see it, but look at that. Wow. I got no idea where it's coming from. I mean, really? Where is it coming from? The pond? The pond. Holy crap. Okay, see? We go... See between that building and that tree way in the background? It's rushing down that way. Let me go show you where that's coming from. Wow. Holy crap. I'm gonna have to move the boats and the car. Holy crap. Wow. It looks like it's coming from the pastures, actually. Yeah, this is where I thought it was coming from. The hill I told you. But it turns out it's coming from the low-lying pasture area. See? See that? Can you see it? All this water and pasture up in here? Yeah, that's pasture overflow. Thank God. Thought it was the pond. Oh, shoot. Thought it was the pond, but look. There's nothing left to go over. I mean, it's got from there to there. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's slowed down a little bit, but this is how it's been raining right here for 2 days. I mean, when you look at it like this, there's my car, there's my door, there's my car, there's the pond. Okay, let's look at it this way. We're talking, see the green, light green over there between the wall and the dark green? That's water, covered up with some kind of plant that's floating. My door. Wow. Wow. Alright, got to turn it off. I got to go in, I'm drenched.